Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm just going to do a simple password program. So I'm going to set some parameters first. So the user is equal to Mark. Okay, so that's going to be the user, and the password is going to be equal to 1234 GH, I think, something like that. Anything will do for this. So I'm going to create a function, so define the function, and I'm going to call it login. So that's our function there, and I'm going to print the user a message so the user knows what's going on. So I'm going to print enter user and password. Okay, and now just underneath it I'm going to do entry 1, which is going to be equal to input. So we're going to get some input from the user, and the first piece of input that we want to get from the user is of course the user name. Okay, username here. Okay, so that's the first bit of info we want, and then the second one I'm going to call it entry 2. It's equal to input, so we ask the user to type in the password here. So that's going to be the password. Okay, so that's the password, and then we're going to go on to a conditional. So if entry 1 is equal to user, so if entry 1 is equal to the username up here, and entry 2 is equal to the password, then we're going to have to do something. So if entry 2 here, the user types in, is equal to the password there, then we're going to print the user a message, print, say, access granted. Okay, access granted, and then we're going to put logged in, and this is going to be another little function here, so logged in, or else, okay, else print, say, access denied. Access has been denied. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another little function here. I'm going to call it logged in. Okay, and we're simply just going to print a message to the user to tell the user that they are logged in. Logged in. Okay folks, before I go on a little bit further, I'm going to type a quit in here. Okay, I'm just going to save that now. Right, let's run the program and see what happens. So first of all, I'm going to enter in the wrong details, so just anything. Okay, so there we go. Access denied. Enter user and password again. So let's enter the right one in. So Mark 1234 GH, and there we go. Access granted and logged in. So now we're into this function here. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope that's been helpful. and remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. It'll take you 1 second, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.